Yeah, so before we announce the squad, I just like to emphasize on the positivity. All the players that we called were excited to come, wanted to come and play for Jamaica. It's a tough month because the transfer window is closing. A lot of our players have been or are changing clubs, so it's a busy time for them, and some agents wanted the players not to come, but all the players were excited to come and willing and positive of coming. So just wanted to emphasize that. Want to talk about? Just put it up. So like I said before, we were really happy with the Gold Cup, the players in the Gold Cup, how we played, etc. So there's not many new faces in this camp. And if we just have it on the screen, the players for this camp. So there are four new faces. Maybe most noticeable is Tavon Gray, playing New York City as a right back. So this will be his first national team camp for Jamaica. He has played 17 matches for youth teams USA, but is really excited to join the revolution and join the Reggae Boyz for what is coming. So we're happy that he decided to play for Jamaica. 3 call-ups that we have not done before. Casey Palmer has started the season really well for Coventry, so we are calling him in again. Been playing really well. He was injured more or less last season when we wanted to see him, so we want to use this opportunity to look at him. Greg Lee as well is recalled, was in the squad prior to us coming, so we want to see him and get to know him a little bit better. And then Ronaldo Sifas made his transfer to Ankara in Turkey, Premier League in Turkey. Has started well his season, so we are excited to see him coming back to the national team. These guys, I think, at least Casey and Ronaldo Sifas have one match for Jamaica. So these are the new faces from the Gold Cup squad. Jonathan Russell, Taxi, Paris, and Javane Brown are not selected, not because of bad performance. We just want to see new faces in this camp. Some of them have been struggling with injuries at late. Maybe just before we finish on the players, Corey Burke has been struggling with injuries. It's doubtful. We are still talking to him and the club. But if he is not, then Demari Phillips will be with the squad. So it's already decided who would fill his spot.
Simon, could you just now name the full squad?
Thank you very much, Coach. Really appreciate you giving that comprehensive update for us. So for the benefit of those who are physical at the Jamaica Football Federation headquarters and not virtually, I will name out the names so that everybody can be able to see it. So the goalkeepers, Captain Andre Blake, Jamali Waite, and Kanaya Boyce Clark. Defenders, Damian Lowe, Tavon Gray, Ethan Pinnock, Amari Bell, Dishon Bernard, Dexter Lembikisa, Adrian Mariappa, Greg Lee. The midfielders, Casey Palmer, Joel Latiboder, Daniel Johnson, Bobby Reed and Kevon Lambert. And the forwards, Leon Bailey, Michael Antonio, Demarai Gray, Dejon Whisper Richards, Corey Burke, Shamar Nicholson, and Ronaldo Sifas.